going to work with the two different sets of homophones. We're going to work with your and your, and we're also going to work with their, and their. We're going to utilize some strategies to help us identify which one we need to use in our sentences. Enjoy! As we know, homophones are words that sound the same, but have different meanings and spellings. The first homophone we are going to discuss today is the one your. Okay, there are two different versions of this word. The first one we're going to talk about is spelled Y-O-U-R. This version means possession. It means something you own. So examples would be your toy, your drink, and your book. All of those things belong to you, therefore they are yours. Okay, it shows possession. The second form of your we are going to discuss is Y-O-U''R-E. We know that when we use an apostrophe, it replaces either a letter or a few letters within a word. When we replace this letter with the apostrophe, we come up with your, which stands for you are. So an example for this would be you're going outside, which would also be you are going outside. Now, in order to know what this word is, the best thing to do would be to take it and break it apart. Okay, if you're not sure, always break it apart into the words you are. If you can break it apart into the words you are, and the sentence still makes sense, then you have used the right homophone. So let's practice. I have two examples for us to look at today. Okay? Our first sentence says, blank next exam is scheduled for this Friday. We're going to use the strategy of breaking the word apart, which means we're going to have to use our contraction homophone first. Okay? So let's try that. You are next exam is scheduled for this Friday. You have to ask yourself, did that make sense? Well, no, it didn't. So, is the contraction the right homophone we want to use today? Absolutely no, we do not want to use that contraction. That is correct. So, that means we have to use the possession one, because whose next exam? Your next exam. That's correct. So, we're going to write that in. Okay, our next option, we're going to try the same test. I bet you are tired after that run. Ask yourself if that makes sense. It does? Great. Okay, that is the right contraction. So we're going to write that in. The next homophone we are going to discuss is there, and there. The easiest way to look at this one would be to kind of see what they each mean. Okay, the first one there of T-H-E-R-E means location. The easiest way to do that is to give yourself an example. So we can think of it as a little house. Okay, so where do we live? Well, we live here. Okay, where do they live? They live over there. Okay, so think of it as location. Okay, your next one, T-H-E-I-R, stands for possession. Okay, the best way to think about this one is this I right here can be made into a person. Okay, because it means possession. Whose phone? Their phone. Whose homework? Their homework. Okay, that can be thought of as possession and a person. The last form is they are. Okay, this there has our apostrophe, and like I just said, it stands for they are. Okay, they are going to the store. They are going to the movie. They're going to the store. They're going to the movie. Alright, same thing. We have some examples for there, and there. We are going to start using the same strategy, and we're going to use the contraction first, try and break it apart, and then go from there. Okay? So our first sentence, they left their cell phones at home. They are cell phones at home. Does our contraction work? No, that's right, it does not work. Okay, but what did they leave at home? Well, cell phones. Do those belong to someone? Yes. Well, who? They, right? So their cell phones. Remember, that one is possession. So this first one would be T-H-E-I-R. Okay? Try the same strategy on the second one. They are meeting us at the restaurant. They're meeting us at the restaurant. If we break it apart, does it work? Yes? All right. Then that's the word we're going to need to use for that one. So T-H-E-Y apostrophe R-E. Okay, and our last one, we want to check it anyway. The book is over, they are. Does not make sense, but it is showing what? That's right, it is showing location. So, it's going to be T-H-E-R-E.
Hello again. I truly hope this video helped you better understand the difference between the homophones and which one to use on what occasion. I truly enjoyed making this video for you, so thank you for watching.